Hello everyone, this is Padala Channel Education. In this video, we are going to see about UGC NET exam which is conducted by National Testing Agency. This UGC NET exam is conducted in a single session without any break as paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be consisting of 50 questions and paper 2 of 100 questions. In this, paper 2 is of core technical syllabus and paper 1 is general, and each question carry 2 marks. Each question carry 2 marks, totally 100 marks for paper 1 and 200 marks for paper 2. This will be the general pattern of UGC NET examination. This paper 1 is classified to 10 different units, and 10 different units will carry 10 marks from each unit. Here teaching aptitude is there, research aptitude is there, comprehension is there, communication is there, mathematical reasoning aptitude is there, logical reasoning is there, data interpretation, ICT, people development, environment, higher education system. These 10 units, from each unit you can expect 10 marks. In this first unit, teaching aptitude, you can know the basics of teaching. What is the learner's characteristics? What are the various factors that affect teaching, that are related to what are the methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning and teachers, like a SWAMP platform is there, NPTEL is there, MOOCs are there, like that. Different platforms, online platforms are there, and it is fastly developing due to this pandemic situation. How it is affecting, you can expect questions from that. Then is research aptitude. You will know the basic definition of research, types, methods, steps of research, thesis and theoretical writing, application of ICTs in research, research ethics. These and all you will expect questions from these areas in research aptitude. Then is reading comprehension. You will know well about reading comprehension. Then communication. In communication, what is communication, what is effective communication, what are the different barriers of effective communication, and mass media and society. You can expect questions from these areas. Then is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. You will be well aware of this topic as a what are the mathematical reasoning, like number series, letter series, codes and relationships, fraction, time, distance. You can expect areas from these mathematical reasoning and aptitude. Next is logical reasoning. In logical reasoning, you can have questions like connotations, denotations, classical squares of opposition, analogies, Venn diagrams, and various Indian logics. You can expect questions from these areas. Then is data interpretation. You will be given a data like bar chart, pie chart, histogram chart, line chart, and you have to interpret it by answering those questions. You can have questions in these areas. Then is ICT, information and communication technology. You have to know the basic abbreviations and terminologies. You have to know the basics of internet email, audio and video conferencing, and digital initiatives in higher education. As we discussed above, NPTEL platforms are there, SWAMP platforms are there. You have to well know now that. And the people development and environment. Here you should know the local, regional, and global air pollution. How air is polluting, how water is getting polluted, how noise is getting polluted, how soil is getting polluted, how solid waste is managed, and what are the different protocols they are following. Different environmental protection act is there, national action plan on climate change is there, that Montreal protocol is there, Rio Summit is there, convention on biodiversity is there, Kyoto protocol, Paris agreement, international solar alliance. Different protocols are there. Recently also we are celebrating world water day, uh, with a theme. We have to know the theme of every important environmental days. We have to know. Next is higher education system. In higher education system, you should know the basics of institutions of higher learning and education in ancient India. How in ancient India they have developed a syllabus, how they studied, how it evaluated oriental, conventional, non-conventional learning, professional, technical, and skill-based education is there. You have to know the policies, governance, and administration. From these 10 units, you can expect a maximum of 100 marks. You have to invest less time here and you have to harvest more marks here. This is the secret behind paper 1. Okay, so coming to this test series, I will discuss this later. Before discussing this test series, I will give you three phases of your study strategy. Okay, before preparation, during preparation, and post preparation. These three I will classify. Okay, before preparation, what you need to do, you have to collect various notes, and you should compare those various notes, and you have to finalize with the notes. You have to collect material, you have to organize them, you should have the study plan, and you have to know the difference between the preparation methodologies of MCQ paper and direct question papers. You have to have important books and websites, which websites you have to follow, like that you have to plan. During preparation, what you need to do, during preparation you have to have time management and tips to study in systematic way, like you have to have memory techniques like acronyms or the mnemonics. You have to have some mnemonics in, and in memorizing certain concepts or certain themes. You have to be no consistent and continuous preparation you have to have, and you have to know the frequently asked questions and question pattern. You have to form a group, study group in WhatsApp or Facebook. You have to do these, and all you have to follow during preparation. The very key to success lies in post preparation. What you need to do after your preparation phase, simple, as simple as possible. You have to take as many as tests as possible. Practice only makes you perfect. Practice only, no substitute for hard work and practice. You have to bleed more, you have to sweat more in the practice center, should bleed less in the war. You know that. So you have to practice as much as possible. For that, you have to attempt various test series, and you have to evaluate test and feedback for this improvement of the aspirants should be done. Who is aspirant? You are the aspirants, so you have to take as much as tests as possible, and you have to analyze them, evaluate them. You have to do post-mortem analysis, where you are going wrong, where you are strong at, where you are not strong at, where you are weak, very weak at. You have to be perfect. You have to be, you have to done post-mortem analysis in that part, then you will be succeeded. So for that we are giving 14 number of tests, multiple choice quiz we are giving, mini test, unit wise test we are giving, grand test, full length mock test, totally 40 tests we are giving at a cost of 499 rupees. So avail it. You can contact on this number, or you can mail to padalachanneleducation@gmail.com. If you found this video to be useful, subscribe and share to those who are preparing UGC NET. Thank you.